The Fourier transform of a signal h of t is h of j omega equal to 2 cos omega into sin 2 omega by omega. The value of h of 0 is. The options are 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 and 2. This is a very simple question. Okay, first see it. First of all, remember this result. What is the Fourier transform of rect? That is, t is given, rect t I will write. Rect t by 2 capital T. This is this. That is minus t to t. How do we write? This length is 2t. Therefore, rect t by 2t I wrote. Okay, that is how you will write it. This has Fourier transform to always write sin omega into capital T by omega. Whatever is the first thing, this is, that will come here. Okay, 2 sin omega into T by omega. This is a standard result you should remember. Okay. Now understand here. What did he give? H of j omega is 2 sin 2 omega by omega. This is what he has given. Be sure with all the Fourier transform properties. Therefore, then you can solve any question. H of j omega I can write it as 2 into e power j omega plus e power minus j omega by 2. Right? And this into sin 2 omega by omega. First of all, we will see what is sin 2 omega by omega's inverse Fourier transform. What can we say? Here 2 is there. Sin 2 omega by omega will have here 2 and here minus 2. That is rect t by, or we will draw this diagram, that is better. What do we know? Multiply by 2 and divide by 2. Multiply by 2 and divide by 2. For e power j omega by 2. First thing, 2 sin 2 omega by omega is this first part. By omega is the second part. For this, from the above result, I can directly say it is from minus 2 to 2 rect. Right? Okay, this is this part. Now, if you remember one more property which says that f of t has f of j omega. F of j omega into e power j omega t naught. What will this be? F of t minus t naught has f of j omega into e power minus j omega t naught. Means whatever be the delay, same delay will come as phase here. Okay. Therefore, here you have e power j omega into 1. Means what? You will have, okay, let me say this is f of t for now. What do you have? F of t plus 1 you should get. Why? F of t plus 1 will have f of j omega into, that is the above function. That is this whole 2 sin 2 omega by omega. That is f of j omega into e power j omega into 1 by this property. Right? This side. Look at this. F of t minus f of t plus 1 is f of j omega into e power j omega into 1. Whatever be there, minus t naught, therefore minus t naught we got f of j omega. So what can I write here? This is shifted f of t plus 1, that is this one. F of t plus 1 means f of t is given, f of t plus 1 is shifting by side. Right? Therefore f of t plus 1 I will draw here. That means it will go from minus 3 and this goes to 1. Right? That is what it is saying. One shift delay. But the here, because of 1 by 2, this goes to 1 by 2 magnitude. Plus next this one. Here minus j omega means f of t minus 1 you will get here. F of t minus 1 for this. And because of 2 you will get by 2. Therefore I can draw this here. This f of t shifted by f of t minus 1 means it is going in the other direction. That is minus 2 goes to minus 1 and 2 goes to 3. And because of 1 by 2, that is this term, 1 by 2 term, you are getting magnitude as this one. Now add these both. How do you add? Minus 3 to minus 1, it is 1 by 2. Okay, and from minus 1 to 0, what happens? This one and this one gets added. Therefore, it becomes 1. 1 and this is 1 by 2. And same thing on right side. Up to 1, it is like this. And up to 3, it is in this way. Why? Because from 0 to 1, it is 1 by 2. And from 0 to 1, it is 1 by 2. 0 to 1, both add up. After 1, it is half. Okay. Therefore, this is what our final h of t is. Therefore, h of 0 is how much? H of 0 is equal to 1. He has asked h of 0. Therefore, h of 0 is 1, which is option C. Okay. Just remember this main result, that is rect has sinc, and you should understand how is it related exactly. This formula you understand, and some properties of Fourier transform I have used, and finally we have reached h of 0 is 1.